This is a sink pop-up drain, and in this video I'll show you how to install a sink pop-up drain. I got this Regal Mix drain on Amazon. It runs about $25 at the time of this video. I'll have all the links in the description below. It was very well packaged and looked very nice. One thing I really liked about this drain is that it was all metal design. You can even hear it as I'm taking off this big brass nut, the clicking sound. Keep in mind, when purchasing these drains, if you have an overflow on your sink, you'll need one with the overflow similar to mine, with the opening right here. If not, then you can buy the other option. They're priced the same. Step 1. Take off the nut and remove the bottom rubber gasket. Then install the drain from the top into the sink hole. Some recommended using silicone to be extra safe, but this gasket feels like it's silicone, and the manufacturer instructions didn't state anything about doing that. Step 2. Install the silicone gasket from the bottom, but make sure it's properly installed, that the cone is pointing up into the sink, not down like this. Then install the brass nut as tight as possible by hand. I used the big pipe wrench to ensure that it was nice and tight. Step 3. Install your existing or a new P-trap, turn on the sink and let the water run. Then inspect for leaks. Also, it's a good idea to close the drain, fill the sink, and let it sit a little, and again, inspect for leaks. Check out this video right here if you want to learn how to install a brand new P-trap.